Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove background of any photo in Canva for free. So if you want to remove background, usually you use this background remover feature from Canva, but this one is Pro. So you need to pay for it or you need to subscribe to the Canva Pro to be able to use this feature. But I'm going to show you the free method. So what you need to do is just go to the apps in here on Canva, then click on the search bar at the top and just type in clear background, this one. So this app is free, so if you use this apps right here, you can see that you can easily remove background from your photos. So you can just upload it, you can just click on open. Here you can choose the file. Okay, I'm going to remove this first. You can click on choose file and choose the photos that you want to remove its background. Okay, for example, I'm going to remove the photo on this, the background on this photo. Click on open. Now tap on the remove background. So Canva clear background will bring the background. You can just wait until the results came out. So this is the final result. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the